Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have administrator access and the Adguard public DNS addresses. Once ready, open your network adapter settings, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and select Internet Protocol version for properties. Then replace DNS server entries with 94, 140, 14, 14 and 94, 140, 15, 15. Make sure to keep a backup of your previous DNS values in case you need to revert. These first steps change where your PC asks for name resolution, so you immediately route queries through Adguard. Once done with the basic change, configure IP6 if your network uses it by entering Adguard's IP6 addresses. Next, flush your DNS cache so the new servers take effect. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushdns. On Mac, use sudo dscacheutil flushcache. Then verify by running nslookup or dig and confirming the server returned matches Adguard. Make sure to test multiple domains to confirm blocking behavior and reduce tracker responses, because this shows the DNS resolver is actively filtering. To finalize, restart your network adapter or reboot the PC so all applications use the new resolver. Once restarted, visit a DNS leak test or run nslookup to confirm queries use Adguard and that unwanted trackers seem blocked. If a site won't load, first flush DNS again and retry. If that fails, revert to your prior DNS, check local firewall or parental control tools, and ensure no VPN or router DNS override is active. That single troubleshooting step fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.